Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your exact Mac model and GPU. This matters because drivers differ across chips. Once confirmed, make a full backup. Do not skip this. Next, obtain the specific kexts and the patch helper that match Ventura. You need compatible versions. You'll also enable SIP partial mode later, so note that now. Begin by mounting the system volume and copying kexts to a safe folder. This prepares you for the live install step coming next. You'll now mount the sign system volume and then temporarily adjust SIP to allow kext installation. Follow the recovery command sequence carefully. Once mounted, copy the GPU kext into /library/extensions or place them in EFI if using open core, then set ownership to root, wheel. After that, code sign each kext, rebuild the kext cache, and run a system reboot to test. Make sure to watch boot messages for any refusal to load, because that points to sign. Finish by restoring recommended SIP protections and rebooting into normal mode. Then test acceleration in real apps and a quick benchmark to confirm. If things fail, inspect kernel and system logs for sign errors or missing dependencies. Those tell you whether a kext was rejected or incompatible. Once done, tweak versions or revert to the backup if instability continues. If you revert, use the time machine snapshot to fully restore the original system and avoid partial breakage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.